How's it going, guys? So today we're going to solve the one of the coolest question, which is find pivot index. This question is literally good. So what this question is saying, if you look at over here, they are saying we have given an array of integer nums. We have to calculate the pivot index. Okay, the pivot index in the index where the sum of all numbers strictly to the left is equal to the sum of strictly to the right. Okay, so what is saying, our pivot index is that index from which our left sum is equals to our right sum. Okay, so if the index on the left as of the array, the left sum is 0, where because there are no elements to the left. This also applies to the right as okay. Return the left most pivot index if no such element found. So if like we don't found our pivot index, if we don't return the index like where the array, like equally dividing, then we will simply return -1 for that. So we will just take this example and I will show you what did how I will gonna implement it. Okay, so let me just look at over here what they're saying. Let me simply copy this one the best way. Okay, so I will say okay, right. Hi guys, I hope we are doing great. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, so how we gonna implement this code? Okay, so what I will do, I will just simply say okay, we have 1 7 3 6 5 6 like this. All right, so I have to find that value by which my left sum is equals to my right sum. Okay, let's just look at example. For example, let's if we say 7 plus 8, this 8 is equals to the right one. Right is 3 plus 9 plus 5 9 plus 6 15 and 21. No, it's not equal because this 21 is 8. Okay, what I will do, I will simply say go check from over here. Is they are equal 7 plus 10 plus 1 11 which is equals to 17. No, this is 17 and this is 11. No, they are not equal. So what I will do, I will just again go over here. Now I am on this point. I will say is 7 plus 3 plus 1 equals to here this one. Yeah, this is same because this is 11, this is 11 as well. So how I will gonna implement our this code is our code. So basically I will check. Okay, let's go start from over here. Okay, so I'm moving from over here. Like if I go from over here till the end, to calculate the sum is very easy for me, but if I want to go from over here to the starting, it's very little bit difficult for me to get this sum from the previous to the starting one. So what I will do, I just got one idea by thinking about this. I'm saying okay, let's do this thing. We create one sum array, okay, which is initially 28. Okay, and I will say, and I will decrement from this my left sum. So once my left sum will be equals to my sum, I will say at this point it's meeting. So what I mean by saying this is, let me just show it to you. You will get a good understanding. So let's say our sum is 28. Okay, and my left sum is initially 0 because let's say initially our left sum is 0, nothing is over there, and my right sum is equals to my sum which is 28. All right guys, now what I will do, I will come over here on this point on the 0th index. I will say my left sum is starting is 0. Okay, don't consider this one, we don't consider till now. I will say it is 0 and I will subtract 1 from here, so I will get 27. Is 0 equals to 27? No, it's not. What I will do, I will then add this value to my left sum and I will move further over here. So I move over here on the 7. So what I will do, I will subtract from this 27 as well, so it become 20. So I'm on my 7 now. So I will say is 1 is equals to 20? No, it's not. What I will do, I will again then move over here and I will add 7 to this one, so it will give me 8. Now I have to subtract 3 from here, so it's come 17. So now I will see, is left sum is equals to right sum on this point? No, it's not. What I will do, I will again put my 3 over here and I move over here now. So I am over here now. All right. Okay, and my 17 will become 14 over here. Okay guys, now what I will do, I will just simply check 1 plus 7 8 plus 3 11, so it's become 11 on this point. It is become 11 and I have to sorry, it will become 11 over here as well because we are minus 6. 17 minus 6 gives 11. So at this point I will check, is left sum is equals to right sum? Yes, it is equals to right sum. So I will just gonna say okay, so we find over here. So I will simply return this pivot point. Okay, so I hope this thing make some sense to you guys? If you still don't understand, then just wait, just be with me. I will first of all write the code, and then I will give you the again a dry run of that code. Okay, so let's just move to the code first. All right guys, so what I will do, I will simply say initially my sum is 0. Okay, now I will run a for loop from 0 to less than nums.len. Alright guys, now what I will do, I will add that num index in my array. Like now I am just calculating my array. In this one I'm just calculating my array. Alright, now here's the time when I will calculate my left sum. So my left sum is 0 initially, and my right sum is my sum, my array. Okay, the sum of the complete array. Now I will work for my right now I will work to get my pivot index. I will say int I equals to 0, I less than nums.length I plus plus. Okay guys, now over here what I will do, I will simply say okay, just do one thing, subtract my nums from my right sum. Right sum minus right sum equals to right sum minus nums of I. Alright guys, now over here, now I will check if my right sum, I will say my left sum is equal to right sum, then what I will do, I will return my index if it is written I. Otherwise what I will do, I will like if still not the same, then what I will do, I will increment my left sum, just adding nums I over here. So I will say left sum equals to left sum plus nums of I. Alright guys, if my condition fail over here, if I don't file equally left and right, then what I will do, I will just simply return -1 over here. This is what our all code is about. Let me just give a quick run to it, this one. And here we go guys, we are running this one. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just try to simply go for the another test case so that you can understand like in which one we are not getting. So I will just give a quick dry run to that one. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply copy this one. Okay, add to a new page. Alright guys, and let me just make it bigger. Alright guys, so what I will do, I will use the previous value which is given over here, which is 1 2 3. I will go for this case. Okay, so because like I just already told you this one, let me tell you for the negative one, which we don't have pivot index. Okay, so we have 1 2 3. I will say my sum of this is 6. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. My sum is 6. Now what I will do, I will say my left sum is 0 initially and my right sum is 6. Okay, now what I will do, I will come on this condition 1. I will check, okay, is 0 equals to 5? This will become 5. No, they are not equal. Then what I will do, I will add 1 to this one, and I will go for this value second one, and I will decrement 2 from this. It will become 3. I will check, is 1 equals to 3? No, it's not equals to 3. Then what I will do, I will again add 2 over here. If you look at over here, like now I just check over this condition is going false. Now I'm come over here, I'm adding it. Okay, now I just go over there, and now I'm moving on this condition 3 1, and I will subtract from 0. So I will check, is 2 plus 1 is 3. Is 3 equals to 0? No, it's not equals to 0. So what will happen, I will just again come over here, and I will put 3 plus 3 6 this value, and now we are ending over here. I will simply say we are not able to find this one, so I will simply return -1 from here. Alright guys, so that's how the code is working. The code is quite simple, it's very simple. So I hope you get what I'm saying. So if you still have any problem, then just do let me know. Before ending this video, let me just submit this code so you get the good understanding. And here we go guys. So this code is running 100% faster because we are just dealing with the time complexity of off and we are not taking any extra space. So that's why like it's showing 24%. But if you look at over in my accepted one, I got 99% memory efficient. So you know why we got some difference in like submission might be you will get, because it depends on the server load. Because if there is too much load on the server, then it will say. So if you look at where my memory is going 99.22%. Okay guys, but like sometimes it's happened. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about running time and space time. All right, so let me just end this video over here, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys.